Hi guys, welcome to IT networking. First, right click to Windows icon and device manager. Then click to network. This is your LAN driver. Right click, upgrade and search automatic and then close. Again right click, properties. Click to rollback driver. Then OK. Then click to search. Then guys find out the sound. Right click, delete driver. Yes. Then right click, uninstall. Okay, and then again click to search and hardware changes, and then again select this and upgrade driver. Close. This is close. Next step, update your Windows. Up, click, then go to setting, Windows update. If you have any Windows, click to check update, and if you have any pending updates, so firstly install it. Okay, next solutions. So guys, you using antivirus, so go to an temporary base disable. Otherwise you don't use antivirus, so go to Windows Defender, means Windows security. This is, otherwise you can search from here, Windows security. This is okay. Open virus and threat protections. Scroll down, click to manage, disable, yes. Go down, temper protection, then again back, scan options, check this and click to start. Minimum 15 minutes to take your system for scanner. Okay, next solution. Next guys, network and internet troubleshooter to run. Windows key to go to setting, then click to setting, system, scroll down, troubleshoot, other troubleshoot, and network and internet to run. Click this one and wait few minutes to troubleshoot this. Okay, next options, restore your system. Okay, click to start button, then CMD, open, then type RSTRUI.exe, then enter. Okay, then click to next, because I don't create any restore point that was showing. Okay, so next, and all date to restore, and then restart system. Thank you. And one more, then guys click to start button and type CMD and then enter. You can try to run an administrator. Right click to run as administrator, so you're giving full permissions. Okay, then guys, I have some command to repair your some corrupted Windows file. So this command I will give you in link in description, so you directly copy paste. Okay, first command is sfc/scan now. You look at in the screen. So some when you enter the some percentage, like to start and find out to any corrupted file. Okay, and then second also check health your computers, and third also check, and fourth restore your health.
Okay, so all four four command is very important for your computers. Okay, and that all command I will give you in description, so you can manual type, otherwise copy paste what you want to do. Okay, so almost first complete, then second just a copy and then paste, copy and then paste. Okay, and then enter. Okay, now third. Then guys, complete your process. Fourth count also done. When your system restart, and then check your problem is 100% solved. Okay, bye bye, take care, and you comment me have any issue, so WhatsApp me, number is on banner. Bye.